And this is how your terrarium would look. For the primrose, the material required are crepe paper in green and in any floral color, and orange sketch pen, green floral tape, and thin wire. Cut stencils according to the measurements given. All the measurements are in centimeters. This is a stencil for the petal. This is 1.5 by 1.5 and total length is 2.5 centimeters. Cut 5 pieces per flower. This is a stencil of a leaf. This is 8 centimeters by 4 centimeters wide and the stem is 1 centimeter. Cut 3 to 4 leaves per one bunch of flowers. Now take a petal and take an orange pen and color the petal like this on the neck. Now take a thin wire and fold about 1 centimeter from the top like this and press it tight. You can press it using a pliers or a pair of scissors also. So it becomes a thin fold. Now take the petal and crimp the edge a little, just 1 or 2 crimps. Then apply glue on the neck and stick this round the wire. Hold. Now take the second petal, apply glue and then stick it overlapping the first one just a little bit and stick it. Now take the sepal and apply glue on the wrong side and stick this on the base of the flower. This is how it will look. Now take a little bit of green tape, apply glue on this and wind this from the base of the flower till the end of the wire. Now open out the petals one by one and flatten it out because the primrose is essentially a pretty flat flower. So just open them and press it down like that. And this is how the primrose would look. We have to make about 4-5 of them more. Now take the leaf and with the help of scissors draw veins on it by deeply pressing down with the scissors. The leaf of primrose is heavily veined. So make as many veins as possible and then give a few crimps in the center of the leaf and crimp the edges. Now take the flowers and we'll make a bunch of them. So just tie them together with a thin wire like this. Then take the leaf, apply glue on its base and stick this at the base of the flower. The leaves are almost in a circle around the flower bunch, so stick all the 3 leaves like this. And this is how the bunch would look. If you want, you can always stick some green floral tape at the base on the wires. For the terrarium, you require moss, dried moss, wood shavings, fine ones, some semi-dried branches without leaves, and paper primroses. Now you put the stems, the branches that we've taken, semi-dried ones, put them in the bowl gently. And because the bowl is rounded, they'll rest against the sides. So insert 2-3 of them like this and then take some moss and put it inside the bowl. Cover about 1/4 of the bowl with the moss. Then take the flowers that we made and insert them inside. Position them as you want. Then put some wood shavings all around to add the color of beige into this.